update for the upgrade interior for G-class. The side door panel, mounting, roof. You have to make the modification here. Seat belt, dashboard, good position. All bracket is faster. And now I am busy with the Alpine Halo 9 screen. I have fixing the bracket here, and now the installation. I am busy with the installation, HDMI, USB, main connector, Bluetooth, GPS, and here I have a very nice trick to mounting the GPS antenna. The GPS antenna come with two parts. Is completely the connector here, interior fastener, but I need for mounting this small parts, the rubber to protection the wire. It is very simple and easy to mounting the parts like so. For this clip, only remove the clip, then you have adjustment of the camera. You have here a small clip in the interior. About the location, the area for the heat unit, I have to push the airco housing, and the rear side I modify the form. Then here all wiring, upper side. It is possible to make the wire here, because there is area again. And here I have the heat unit in the place of the original place for the airbag. Not the heat unit, the oh my god, the name, Mr. It is amplificator, yes, amplificator. And in the original place of the air unit, there the housing is modification for air conditioning, for heating system. Now here the auxiliary fuse box, they are the original box fuse. So for example, for Alpine now I have the fuse for Alpine is 30, this is 15 ampere. Just a minute, light here. This. So it is possible to input the wire for GPS from there, but it is so the number of the wire is so wire on this side, and I think it's not good to have not good influence to the signal. So I chose to use the old, I don't know what is used, this hole here, the hole there to input the GPS wire, then on this side, then here to the plastic. See there you don't have the metal, so it's very good signal. As this is simple, remove this part, remove the connector, then you can input here. Opa. And very simple. Then return the small part and mounting in the rear side of the heat unit, and it is directly to the heat unit. About the wiring for Alpine, amplificator, GPS parts number, microphone parts number, mic. Then for the guys who like extra music, you can possibly use this part to mounting amplificator and subwoofer, etc, etc. For me, I don't interest. Only one small amplificator, but is not now. That's connector for the camera, the aux, etc, etc, etc. But that is next works. Now I have to first close everything, the very important part. HDMI. I think I have to mounting this in the center console after I make the bracket for center console. Here. This part must be upgraded and customized. This is not only to close, check things. Those sides, the problem only this fan. That is the reason I have to change and to heating the air conditioning housing and push 5mm to rear, and so I have more area for a cooling system for the heat unit. So I come back with the end of the project.